Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw 11 from Stranger Things Season 3. So let's get started. To draw 11, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and start to draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to go to the other side, about right here. And we're going to bring it down so it's a little bit narrower. And connect it towards the bottom. Center, and then now I can go back up. There, so I have our basic face in, shape in. Now from there, let's go back to where we started right here, and we're going to draw a circle for her eyes. So right close to the edge. And same thing on the other side. So let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom and same thing over here. And the lines at the bottom. So from there, let's come to the side, and I'm just going to give her some simple lashes and just two curves that come out on both sides. And let's come up here and we're going to draw her brow. So I'm going to come about right here, slight arc, come down, and I'll just go in there and thicken it up. And same thing on this side. A slight arc and thicken it up. There. And then let's draw her mouth. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm not going to give her a big smile, just a very slight smile. So about right here, just a soft curve. And so because a lot of you were complaining that I didn't give her blood and a bloody nose on the first 11 that I drew, I'm going to add a nose right here if you want. So I'm going to come right here and both sides very lightly, just drawing a little nose, and I'm going to add some little trail of blood right here. There. So it's up to you. If you want to add that, just go ahead and draw that. So then from there, let's bring this back up a little bit more. Kind of where her brow is, and then from there let's start this part right here. We're going to draw her ears. It's just a curve, and come in here for some details, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. So about right there, curve and details inside, and then from there let's start to draw her forehead area. So I'm going to bring this up more, nice and high. A little bit more, because she has her hair pulled back. So then now that it's pretty much even about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Just a center and up. So it's from preventing it from looking just like a curve like that, let's come in here and we're going to draw some curves right here to make it look like it's just hair pulled up, so it's not so stiff. There. Then let's come to the side right here, and we're going to go close to her face, and we're going to draw a curve that comes up, because her hair is just pulled up, and so it's very close to her head, and we're going to go up with this curve on both sides and start to round it off. So then about right there, I'm going to stop, and if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve. But I know there's a scrunchie I'm going to draw right here, so I'll stop about right there, and I'm just going to curve the scrunchie in. So then let's bring this around. Just gonna draw this random scrunchy shape like that, something like that. There. Then from there, let's we can see a little part of her hair that's tied up right here. So let's add a little curve right there. And then come over here and we're just gonna wave her hair down on both sides. But before we finish that, let's come and draw her body so we know where to put her hair. So I'm gonna come right to the center and give her a little neck right there and her shoulders. From there, now that I have her shoulders in, I'm gonna come imagine kind of like where her armpits would be on both sides, and I'm just gonna draw a slight angle down. So this just helps me figure out where everything kind of goes. So let's start with her collar first. I'm gonna come right here, just draw kind of a V towards the center. And then let's draw her collar. So I'm just gonna come right here and zigzag on both sides. And then let's see here, we can go ahead and just connect this part now. And let's bring this down a little bit more and come in. So her shirt's a little bit poofy. And from there, let's go ahead and connect it. So then let's come down here in this area. I'm going to start to draw her pants right here. So let's bring this down and let's add a belt right here. Well, kind of where her pants at the waist area. And then let's come down a little bit more, say about right here. I'm just going to draw a slight angle line and bring this down. So we're going to start to draw her legs. From this center part, let's just bring 2 angle lines out. And let's go ahead and draw her legs. So I'm just going to keep bringing this down. Work on this leg first. And about right there towards the bottom, I'm going to wiggle it just a little bit. And connect it. And come in here, some crease lines. And same thing over here. To go right there, go ahead and connect it, add some crease lines. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her feet. Since we're down here, I'm gonna add just a simple pair of tennis shoes. So let's come out from there, flare it out a little bit and connect it. Then at the bottom, just add an extra line. On the top right here, just 2 curves for laces. And on this, I'm just going to have the foot come out. So just to change it up a little bit, let's bring it out, curve it down, and connect. And laces right here on this side. There. Okay, so now that we have that part in, we know where to put her hands. So it's going to be about in this area. And so let's come here with the sleeves. Kind of poofy, so I'm just going to wiggle a little bit. And about right here, I'll bring it in. Add a little cuff. And same thing over here. So just wiggle a little bit. The same area. And a little cuff. Some crease lines if you like. And now let's draw her hands. So we're going to end about this area, so let's bring this down. And right here, I'm going to have her hands in a fist, so curve, another curve. Then on this back part, angle, angle, and connect. So then right here, where you angled in, add a little curve. So it's the same thing over here. So about right there. And we're going to end about right there. So once again, 2 curves. Bring this in. And once again, angle. And in this area, a curve. There. Okay, so then now let's finish her hair. So we can come right here and just wiggle, say about right there. And I'm just going to bring it in. So just wiggle it back. And same thing over here. And then let's draw some details. So let's draw her suspenders, and about right here, I was just going to add a little square. And I'm going to put suspenders through here. It's going to go all the way down. And same thing over here. From there, let's come to the center right here and add a center line for a shirt. And if you like, you can add some crease lines right here. And let's draw some details on her pants. Let's bring a center line down, and let's add a little circle right here where her suspender connects to the pair of jeans. And let's add some pockets right here on the side. So there, hope you love my new version of 11 from Stranger Things 3. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.